How to unlink PSN account from Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Genshin Impact login. Now open up the first website and log into your account. Now once you are logged in, go to account security settings. Now from here, you can unlink your PSN account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.